Fully Bad versus Demarco. War hot. War hot. The artists them a drop song, them a fling lyrics. Lyrics pan top of lyrics. Boy, the two artists them bad. The two artists them bad, that's all me have to say. That's all me have to say. Who want them give it a long run out of the clash, yeah? Because the clash are nice. You understand? The clash are nice. You understand me, people? The two artists them lyrics them is on point. You understand? Are two bad artists them. So make we see which one I go run out of lyrics first or which one I go fall short. You understand? But me I tell me people, the two artists them so far, the two artists them lyrical, them bad. Me can't choose no winner right now. You understand? A mad thing. Love the Liquor Warrior. It bad. It's sick. I wanna check it out yet, go check it out. Fully Bad versus Demarco. Mad thing. Remember me tell you no. Remember me told you no. Mad.